Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another chapter, that is cost. The first, what do you mean by the cost? So here the cost means the uh, the force of demand and supply determine the price of the commodity in free market. जो भी फ्री मार्केट में डिसाइड होता है देयर रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन. The first we know the meaning of cost before economic cost. Means economic cost, total expenditure incurred on the input is known as economic cost or production cost. And there are two types, the explicit cost and the implicit cost. Explicit or actual payment made by the purchasing of hiring resources from factor owner or other firm are called explicit cost. Means in other words we can say that explicit costs are actually money expenses directly incurred for purchasing of resources के लिए जो हम खर्च करते हैं. Next, implicity cost refer to input cost of the factor of production owned by the producer himself, which are generally left out in the calculation of expenses of the firm. Beside the purchasing resources from other firm, producer uses his own factor service also in the process of productions. Next, we discuss about the cost function. The relationship between the cost and output is known as the cost functions. Or here are the two types of time period: short period and long period. In the short period, we can change the variable factor, but fixed factor we cannot change. But in the long period, we all the factor are be treated as the variable factors. Now, the most important total cost curve in the short run, the first is total fixed cost. Total fixed cost are the cost incurred on the fixed factor input and do not vary with the output, like rent of the factory, expense on maintenance of the machinery, means wages, salary of the permanent staff, interest on board, insurance premium. These are the fixed, they cannot be unavoidable. Other name of unavoidable we can say that. So here the curve of the TFC curve is parallel to the x-axis, which tells that total fixed cost remains same at all level of output. मीन्स ये जो कर्व पैरल टू द एक्स एक्सिस है ये हमें डिफाइन करता है कि जो हमारा टीएफसी है वो पैरल रहेगा, सेम रहेगा सभी ऑल लेवल ऑफ आउटपुट के लिए. देन टोटल वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, द कॉस्ट दैट इंकर्ड ऑन द वेरिएबल फैक्टर and vary directly with output are called total variable cost. Means they are also referred as the primary cost, special cost, and we can say that direct cost, avoidable cost. Means जो हमारे वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है इनको हम अवॉइड कर सकते हैं इन द शॉर्ट रन. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फ्यूल्स, इलेक्ट्रिक पावर्स, परचेजिंग ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स. तो देन वी कैन एडजस्ट. The curve of the TAVC is that total vary directly with the volume of output. मीन्स ये डायरेक्टली जितना वैल्यूम ऑफ आउटपुट उससे पूरी तरह से क्या कहते हैं एंगेज रहता है. TAVC कर्व स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द ऑरिजिन से स्टार्ट होता है अप टू द सर्टन रेंज रिमेन कॉन्केव फ्रॉम द बिलो देन बिकम कॉन्वेक्स. स्टार्टिंग से ये कॉन्केव होता है, उसके बाद ये कॉन्वेक्स के शेप में हो जाता है, समथिंग लाइक इन्वर्सली ऑफ द एस शेप. एस शेप में ये थोड़ा बनता है. एंड दिस मेक द टीवीसी कर इन्वर्सली एस शेप एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल. मीन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल ये जो कर्व हमारा बन रहा है एस इन्वर्सली एस शेप, ये लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल से है. मीन्स और लॉ ऑफ वेरिएबल क्या डिफाइन करता है? इन द स्टेज ऑफ प्रोडक्शन द फर्म एंजॉय इंक्रीज रिटर्न टू फैक्टर. Cost is opposite of the productivity. Initially TVC increase at diminishing rate. TVC जो हमारा होता है इंक्रीज होता है diminishing rate से. After certain point due to the diminishing return to factor, TVC increase at increasing rate. That is why the TVC is inversely relationship. Thank you.